Show me your face now. नहीं यार यहाँ से तो भूत ही लग रहा है बंदा.
क्या मतलब?
This is gua sha, jade roller, yes, jade roller. I'm gonna use that to even out the foundation. ये blend ही नहीं हो रहा यार. Outer corner, this is inner. नहीं, this is crease.
Okay. मानो let's go out like this, ठीक है? एक रेस्टोरेंट में चलते हैं. You take me. I'm your date. ठीक है? Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel and clapping थोड़ी सी. And I have a very special guest today. My husband, Mr. Bhanu Chawla.
Thank you for having me here.
दोबारा तालियां because थोड़े भाव देने पड़ेंगे. Anyway, how are you feeling?
Excited and nervous. But can I still back out?
Can I back out?
But that's the question, isn't it?
So you must have seen the title of this video, which is my husband does my makeup challenge, and I was really excited initially, but अब मुझे I'm like scared. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है कि final look आएगी क्या. So wait till the end of the video to see इस चेहरे पर क्या magic होने वाला है.
Lots of magic.
Yeah. So
sparkle, does sparkle.
Yeah, does sparkle.
And one more thing, you have to actually go out with that makeup.
This wasn't that.
I dare you, yeah. You should do that.
I go out with that makeup. वैसे भी रात होने वाली है.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see that. अभी we'll see that कि मुझे करना है नहीं करना वो. Anyway, for my final look and whether I go out with that look or not.
You have to. Come on. Weather. What do you mean weather? जाना पड़ेगा यार.
Stay tuned till the end of this video.
Wish me luck.
Okay guys, so we are all set to do to start the challenge. मुझे तो आराम से बैठना है आज, so I am quite relaxed. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
You're always ready. Okay,
Yes.
let's see. So मैंने बहुत सारा मेकअप का सामान यहाँ randomly सब फिला फुलू के रखा हुआ है, and you know brushes and you know setting sprays and everything. Palettes है एक दो. So nothing is in the sequence the way it should be, you know, applied ideally. तो सब कुछ इधर उधर पड़ा हुआ है. सब ये भानु पे डिपेंड करता है कि भानु कौन से steps पहले करेगा. So
I have done my research actually.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. We'll see.
A little
we'll
bit,
see.
but yes, yes.
Okay. I know इसको थोड़ी सी knowledge है makeup की because you know our online classes he is the one who takes care of the back end. तो हम इसको product list देते हैं and you know he's like sending Sakshi मुझे messages कि oh the capitalization is not right, the brand name is not right and all those things. So I know he's aware about the brand names.
I know the products. I even know some of the steps actually. So मेरे को कुछ मतलब पता है.
हाँ. But
I can do something.
Okay, वो तो पता चलेगा, वक्त ही बताएगा. But मेकअप भानु ने मेरे पे कभी नहीं करा है, कभी भी नहीं किया है. So even I'm looking forward to it. So without further ado, let's just start.
You have a wish. You want to wish for a good makeup on this session?
Really?
Yep.
Okay. What did I wish for? I can't tell you.
That I don't mess it up.
I have better things to wish for. Like, you'll be fine. I know.
All right.
चलो ठीक है, let's start and
You ready, baby?
yes, I am ready. Okay, let's
so,
start.
All right. So all of these products. Okay. So I have some notes. मैंने अपने notes बनाए थे तो मैं research कर रहा था.
अरे वो cheating नहीं करनी कोई you okay.
It's not cheating. It's just that literally I know like some steps जो मेरे को पता है, ठीक है? तो I'm gonna start with something and these are a lot of products. So
there are not a lot of products. मेरी मेकअप की कलेक्शन इससे ज्यादा है. मैं कम लेकर आई.
जिसने आज तक एक दो प्रोडक्ट भी यूज नहीं करा देखे ना हो तो you know it's gonna be quite a lot for him. It's a little bit overwhelming, right?
I want to see myself.
I don't want you to see that mirror.
So we have this mirror, but I'll see myself end में. So I'm gonna do whatever I can see is the flip
I will make
screen
sure
here.
that she doesn't see that mirror because otherwise she's gonna freak out and I'm gonna freak out. Really don't want to do that. So
Okay, right.
I'm gonna flip that.
Okay.
Which is the first one. So there are a lot of foundations here.
What is this?
You have Dior foundation?
So, excuse me.
It's a nice brand. I'm probably going to use the MAC one. NC15. I know you mix a couple of shades.
Yeah, I normally do. Yeah.
I've seen in your IGTVs or you know some of the classes, but I'm gonna use this light one, the NC15 one. So do I use this with a brush? I think I do. You also have beauty blenders, right? So
Now start applying. No, I'm
okay,
just
so I'm
looking.
going to be doing this one first. इसको हाथ पे लेते हैं पहले, right? I'm going to use my hand as a palette.
Okay.
I think this brush is not doing the job properly, so I'm probably gonna switch this to. No, of course not this one. I think this one. This one. This is from NYX, whatever. Okay, so let's take some more foundation.
थोड़ा सा मिरर इधर कर दे.
Mirror नहीं होगा उधर.
Okay. You're quite gentle, which is nice. मुझे लगा था literally you were like foundation. Okay.
Pablo Picasso. On the roll.
You know वो ऐसे मतलब dry भी हो जाती काफी चीजें ना.
Okay, so I think we have to blend it now. So.
नहीं, just keep doing your thing.
No, I think it's fine. I think we have to really blend it now. Okay, so this is damp already. I know
Yeah,
you don't have to use it dry, so
I did it
I
down.
would use
I
it
prepared
there,
it.
yeah. Look up.
I'm already looking up.
Close your eyes then.
Okay. Now
Sorry.
you're not gentle anymore.
So I think I probably can use a little bit more.
अभी ये सब चल रहा
Don't look at the camera. Come
I'm
on.
showing them कि क्या मेरे फेस पे
Okay.
हो क्या रहा है. मुझे बड़ा दिख रहा है छोटी सी स्क्रीन में.
Yeah.
तो तूने अभी पहले सबसे पहले एक ब्रश यूज किया था, फिर दूसरा ब्रश यूज किया,
Huh?
and then you're using this.
Yes.
Perfect.
I know.
You wanna,
Dab, dab, dab.
you know what does foundation do?
Evens the skin tone.
Just make sure it happens.
There's never enough foundation in your life, just so that everything is even.
You have to even it out. That's true.
Okay, then let's
So when I told him कि हम लोग ये challenge करेंगे, बेचारा इतना nervous हो गया था. He was literally, you know, online जाके I think हमारी एक आध हमारी क्लास खोल के बैठा हुआ.
Makeup 101. They have a class called Makeup 101, which is for beginners. उसमें मैंने fast forward करके कुछ देख लिया था, like it was like more than 2 hours.
पता नहीं कौन से notes बना रहा है बैठ के. I was like,
I think the foundation is there.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna give her a really light makeup, not too like मैं वो glittery party makeup नहीं देने वाला.
Do the kind of makeup I do generally. Like if I'm going out, so मैं कैसा makeup करूँ?
हाँ जरूर. जो इतने सालों से आपने खुद सीखा है, you want me to do that in like one go, right? Do you know what? I think I'm gonna take some more foundation. थोड़ी मेरे हाथ पे भी रहेगी and where is it? Where did I keep NC15? Alright, thank you. There is never enough foundation in your life, as I've said before. I'm gonna say it again.
You know वो लोग ऐसे भी बोलते हैं कि less is more.
इसके ऊपर हम fake lashes लगा देंगे अगर time मिला तो.
You will do my fake lashes?
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm sitting. Show me your face now. नहीं यार यहाँ से तो भूत ही लग रहा है बंदा.
क्या मतलब?
नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. I was just scaring you.
मतलब?
नहीं.
मैं बंद करूँ, eyes खोलूँ, कहाँ पे लगाना है?
बंद. ऊपर देखो.
पता है मुझे लग रहा है मेरा कोई
आगे बंद करिए ऊपर देखो.
Okay, sorry.
Is that even possible?
क्या मतलब? ऊपर देखो.
हाँ ऐसे ठीक है.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
आगे बंद करो.
ये भगवान.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं. It's normal. Just relax. Just relax this area, right? You know. I always tell you, you should be calm. Just calm. Take a deep breath.
I need meditation.
You need meditation in your life.
Just tell me where you want to apply, तो I'll.
ये eyebrows की तरफ नीचे रह गया. I think हम 1 घंटा I think हम 1 घंटा foundation लगाते रहेंगे. कुछ होएगा ही नहीं बाकी. I mean yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Now I'm gonna use, well.
Yeah.
Oh no. This is gua sha, jade roller, yes, jade roller. I'm gonna use that to even out the foundation. Smooth the foundation. Sorry, not in the eyes. Close your eyes.
You must have seen me using this, right?
Yes.
I also used, एक बार मैंने तेरे को बताया था कि you can also use this like कब?
Before sleeping.
Yeah, उसके पहले हम मतलब मैंने फाउंडेशन लगाया होता है. नहीं कोई बात नहीं. It's fine. तेरे को वो
तेरा आधा हो गया दूसरा भी कर देते हैं जो. It's fine.
यार ये कोई दीवार थोड़ी ना, कोई पेंट हो रही है कि तुम प्राइमो लेकर आओगे.
There is Dior Forever Skin Correct. One more Dior, and I think this is a concealer. But I think there's another one called Maybelline.
Your wish, anything you can use. ये सारे मेरे shades हैं तो obviously इतना मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ.
I like Dior.
Okay.
I think ये लगेगा under eyes पे.
Just do it.
Because I've seen
just
some
do it and
highlighter points and everything, right? So under eyes पे लगेगा ये. Let's do the concealing down here. Yeah, because conceal means you have to conceal something. So there's some, if there's like a little bit darkness or somewhere on your face, you're concealing that. So
Yes.
a concealer.
Yes.
It's easy.
It's easy. Yes, it's very easy. You want me to look up or नीचे?
Up. ये blend ही नहीं हो रहा यार. Okay, so next step is
No, you're not watching your phone.
a little bit.
नहीं यार ये तो फिर cheating है यार.
Okay, it's
This
fine.
is cheating.
This is not
No.
cheating.
No,
I'm
no.
not watching anything else. I'm
नहीं,
not
I
watching
know,
a video.
No
Right?
notes, no notes. अब ये phone नहीं use होगा.
Okay, एक minute. Okay, next step is powder. We have this. This is the powder, right? Yes, powder. It says RCMA No Color Powder, the original, the OG of the powders. So if
Yeah.
you want to use a powder in life, RCMA is the real deal. Sorry for your
पता है
trust.
मुझे सच में लगा था कि तू ऐसे करके मेरे मुंह पे लगा देगा. I'm so
I
glad.
was about to do that actually. But like,
जैसे इसने हाथ पे लिया था मैं like ये ऐसे लगने वाला है मेरे मुंह पे but ठीक है. I'm glad
तो हाथ
इसने
पे
कोई
लिया था
ब्रश
क्या?
उठाया. नहीं बहुत अच्छी बात है कि वे
कोई
किधर
पैलेट किस पे लगाऊं?
किधर लगाना है किधर लगाना है.
Over your face.
Less is more. नहीं मतलब हमने.
अब पाउडर के बाद हम करेंगे highlighting.
Okay.
Okay, let's do highlighting.
Yeah.
I see the lashes. I might have to put lashes on her at the end. We'll see.
We'll see. शुक्र है अभी नहीं लगा दी lashes. अभी lashes लगी
देखो मेरे को
है.
यही पता है कि lashes के साथ glue होता है ये duo वाला. I might actually use it. I don't know. We'll see. Highlighter. Bronzer लिखा हुआ है ये. तो फिर highlighter नहीं होगा इसका मतलब ये. Viseart. Let me read. It says highlighter, blush and contour.
Exactly.
Thank you Viseart. Thank you. उसने लिखा हुआ साफ साफ. ये bronzer क्या मेरे को क्या पता लगेगा bronzer क्या होता है? I'm going to take the biggest brush and highlight your face. Kiss.
The whole face.
No. Highlighter तो यहीं पे होते होंगे ना शायद.
Okay.
I think cheeks. Cheeky.
हाँ.
Nose पे लगता है. Highlighter. ये होता highlighting point लगाया था मैं थोड़ा सा. हाँ.
यार तेरे को पता है उसमें प्रोडक्ट है ये होता है हर जगह वो लगे जा रहा है उससे. मैं कोल्ड स्टोर उस पे नहीं.
Sorry. I think it's done. Show me. Show me a beautiful face. A little bit.
यार ये क्या चीटिंग है यार ये
अबे
क्या
यार.
स्टेप्स भी गलत लिखे हैं उल्टे सीधे लिखे हुए हैं बट स्टिल आई थिंक सो बाकी चेंज ना कर लो.
I think मैंने 2 steps लिखे जो highlighter से पहले लिखे हुए थे. 2 steps लिखे थे highlighter से पहले. So I messed it up. It says
there is no messing up. See, end result should be nice.
Let's do
I
contouring.
need contour, definitely I need.
contour. Let's do it. I think this is the one. Yeah, जो मैं पहले खोल के बैठा हुआ था ना. Bronzer. ये पहले होता है. मेरे को लग रहा था मैं देखा था कि hula bronzer पहले लगता है and then you do highlighting. I'm hoping ये contour है.
I need contour. फटाफट.
देख contour cheekbones को lift करेगा and then jawline को और accentuate करेगा. So it's gonna be nice and I think your highlighter is actually on fleek. So we're gonna rock it. So this is gonna lift her jawline. I'm giving you like really subtle no makeup look makeup.
Okay.
I think ज़्यादा हो गया as compared to let's do this वहाँ पे. यार तुम्हें नहीं होता कि क्लाइंट्स के ऊपर कि लाइक यहाँ ज़्यादा हो गया तो यहाँ बढ़ा दो या यहाँ कम कर दो. I don't know.
आता है ना मिस्टेक ठीक करना आता है ऑब्वियसली होता है.
ये इनडायरेक्टली बेइज्जती करी गई है कि हमें नहीं आता है मेकअप. Well actually that's the truth. So ये आ ही नहीं रहा प्रोडक्ट. रुक. डर मत. Trust me.
बहुत सारा लिया अभी बहुत ज़्यादा लिया तूने.
अरे तू ट्रस्ट कर यार.
I know ना properly and
You know like वो जो जिंजर लेते हैं and then वो डिवाइस पकड़ते हैं वो क्या कहते हैं उसको हिंदी में कद्दूकस करने का.
Sharp edged holes. They slice the fiber.
Right, so हम अभी इसको पकड़ के ऐसे कद्दूकस करेंगे. यहाँ पे shredded ginger निकलेगा for tea.
तू मेरा फेस कद्दूकस कर रहा है.
I'm joking यार. Blush का है. Blush किधर है? Blush किधर है? Blush उसमें था Viseart में. Yes. Highlighter, blush and contour. तो मैं contour भी इसमें से ले सकता था यार.
Thank you so much.
The palette is called Romance. I'm gonna, you know what?
You
can
have
see.
to open the इनको see
No, like
क्या?
they can see the names, you know, the written stuff. तो
हे भगवान.
वही बहुत
क्या मैं
नहीं,
तो
it's fine,
बोल
it's
गई
fine.
बहुत क्या
बहुत ज्यादा लग जाता
तूने
है
उसको बहुत ज्यादा लगा दिया होगा.
नहीं Don't make faces. I know you're just trying to confuse me.
Because I can feel the points जहाँ पे blush लग रहा है.
तो मतलब brush गलत है.
नहीं जो है ठीक है.
Let's use that pretty brush again.
Just you're blending the powders.
I'm blending everything.
Basically, yeah, very
I'm basically mixing everything together.
Perfect. It's fine. I like blush. I like nice like आजकल वैसे भी blushy looks बहुत चल रही हैं. They're like kind of like nice, diffused, pretty.
This is everything mixed in one.
This is everything.
It's called blending. My blending game is so on point. Ekdam perfect. I'm gonna give all of you makeup artists out there a really good competition, right? So
I trust you. It's nice, no? I like this color though. मालूम बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं लग रहा है मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि I would see myself in the mirror.
I think थोड़ा eyes पे हल्का सा ज़्यादा so थोड़ा सा blush चला गया. So I'm gonna do a little bit more concealing. थोड़ी eyes में हो भी सकती है concealing, I guess.
Okay.
So let's do concealing. Where's the concealer? I use Dior. I remember.
You want to apply the concealer
Tiny
over?
bit.
Okay. I trust you. Okay.
You're confusing me, right?
नहीं कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ concealer आँख पे यार. I remember this. Yes.
हाँ बिल्कुल yes. जो blusher है वो under eyes पे चला गया था.
थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा.
Please अच्छा करियो मैं मारूंगी तेरे को बाद में.
You are going to look beautiful as ever.
ये तेरा जो confidence है ना मैं इसी से बैठी हूँ यहाँ पे.
बस इसी confidence से हम बाहर भी जाएंगे आज.
मैं बाहर नहीं जा रही.
इस confidence से आज हम बाहर जाएंगे.
कुछ दिख नहीं रहा बहुत ज़्यादा light है white में.
I mean I can zoom it a little bit for you guys.
Can I open my eyes?
No, not yet. Don't.
Okay.
Just keep your eyes closed. So eyebrows. Let's start with eyebrows first in eye makeup. This is an eyebrow pencil I'm using. It's called Eyebrow Sculpt from Kiko Milano.
Okay.
उससे आपकी eyebrows थोड़ी बड़ी लगेंगी.
बड़ी लगेंगी eyebrows. Okay.
Like. आंखें बंद करो.
मुझे बहुत सारी eyebrow pencil feel हो रही है. Natural है. Naturally अच्छी लगती है.
अच्छा तो फिर तो ज़्यादा हो गया. So
मुझे feel ज़्यादा हो रही है वो.
we'll stop there. You can't see it over there.
यहाँ भावना बहुत ज़्यादा व्यू फाइंडर में दिख रही है दूर की मतलब.
इसको साफ करता हूँ चेक से.
मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट फील हो रहा था वो. बट देख ले अगर हल्का फुल्का तो कोई बात नहीं. It's fine. I can manage.
नहीं आई थिंक ऊपर है वो भी हल्का सा हटेगा. रुक जा ज़्यादा हो गया. आई थिंक हम इसको थोड़ा नेचुरल रहने देते हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है. एक कुछ होता है जो तुम यहाँ पे मारते हो पता नहीं क्या. आई थिंक उसके पीछे ही था वो मार देते हैं ऐसे.
Thank God guys इसने Anastasia Beverly Hills नहीं उठाया. कुछ तो गड़बड़ करी है आईब्रोज के साथ. नहीं कुछ नहीं. You carry on is fine. आज तुम्हारा दिन है. Think I can go out like this.
अभी नहीं. अभी रुक जाओ. अभी आई मेकअप होगा फिर लिपस्टिक लगेगी then you can go out. Okay.
I'm excited actually to see my full face.
I think it's nice.
पता नहीं मुझे
पहले थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया था. That's why I wiped it out. कुछ तो होता है जो तू यूज़ करती है आईब्रो सेट करने के लिए. ठीक है. Let me find it. This looks like something that I can use. Yeah, this is for like eyebrows I think. क्योंकि वैसी ब्रश है. It's called Hourglass. Hourglass is a nice brand. No, I'm not gonna do this. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up.
This is for the eyebrow setting.
Yes. Why are you doing that?
No, just be careful.
Okay. अबे तो ब्लैक क्यों कर रहा है?
तो फिर तो
गलत है. ये पक्का गलत है कुछ. Caution, extreme lash mascara.
Thank you so much. हर प्रोडक्ट पे लिखा होता है यार कि मतलब वो किस चीज के लिए. Thank you so much. तो एक दिखाई सर. I think you just read Hourglass. इसके पीछे वाला कौन पड़ेगा? It's fine.
It's looking natural actually. Literally dot लगी थी. Like black तो नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, cool.
ठीक है. So saved, case saved. Okay. Caution, extreme lash mascara. It's for lashes. It's not for eyebrows.
Thank you so
fine.
much. Yeah.
I'm educating people here.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Perfect.
Very helpful.
Okay. Next
Very
one is eye makeup. We're gonna do some eye makeup.
Setting नहीं करनी है eyebrows की. ठीक अब ऐसे ठीक है. Natural ठीक है.
Perfect ऐसे. ठीक है. Let's go with some eye makeup. This is fine. I don't wanna mess it up. मेरे को यहाँ पे और mascara नहीं लगाना है. So let's just use this.
Eye makeup brushes.
Okay. Eye makeup brushes. All of these are eye makeup brushes. No, they're not. I'm gonna use this one.
They are.
They are Morphe. I know you use Morphe.
All the time.
And this is a white one. It's called Morphe Jacqueline Hill Collection.
Perfect.
Right? Okay. So we're gonna use Morphe E22. I think this is fine. She's not overreacting, so मैं बता सकता हूँ कि I think this is the right brush. Okay. So we're gonna do some eye makeup now. And eye makeup में products लगते हैं कौन से? Pretty Rich. There you go. Too Faced baby. Let's do this. Full coverage dewy makeup. Okay. So let's do this one today.
But you can't watch the tutorial. Just have a look and keep it there. वो मैं allow कर रही. This is cheating basically. You're watching my tutorial only.
तो आंखों के नीचे भी कुछ लगता है?
यार भानु ये गलत है यार. तू बस मेरी वो
एक सेकंड बस. एक
सेकंड. final look देख and just keep it.
एक सेकंड.
No you
ये
एक
तो यहाँ पे क्या लगाया?
No 2 सेकंड 3 सेकंड.
एक मिनट प्रॉमिस.
Just 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Password.
0.
ठीक है. एक मिनट. Okay, so this is a trick. अगर तुम्हें पता करना है कि कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा यूज होता है, वो लो जो सबसे खत्म हो रहा है. जो खत्म हो रहा है वो है डायमंड ग्लिटर आती and diamond for breakfast. And also fluent in diamonds. You like diamonds a lot, okay? So probably clutch your pearls.
ये खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. ये जो मैट वाले सारे ग्लिटर्स वाले खत्म हो रहे हैं. साथ में और
नहीं वो तो ज्यादा डायमंड ग्लिटर आती. Let's go with that.
Okay.
I think
मैं ये रख रही हूँ कुछ बहुत.
मैं पता क्या कर रहा हूँ. मैं usually जितने भी terms मुझे सुनाई देते हैं ना मेकअप में सब बोल रहा हूँ.
Randomly कुछ भी.
ठीक है. क्रीज पे कट क्रीज whatever जो भी है सब बोल दो.
कट क्रीज हो रहा है. Guys,
कट क्रीज नहीं हो रहा. कट क्रीज भी होता है. कट क्रीज भी होता है तो थोड़ा.
Okay. Go ahead.
नहीं. Close your eyes. ये ज़्यादा ग्लिटर हो गया. Thanks for putting that.
Because I know it's fallout soon है.
See glitter. You can never have enough glitter. मैंने concealer के बारे में ही बोला था, but it's fine. Okay. Close your eyes. Why you shaking? तेरी आँखें shake कर रही हैं. तू घबरा क्यों रही है? थोड़ा dark हो गया, but हम साफ कर देंगे. It's fine.
Okay.
थोड़े fallouts हो जाते हैं.
It's fine.
They're only natural. They're a part of your process, right? So.
बहुत तेरे brushes हैं. Brush दूसरे
Okay,
brush.
so I'm just gonna pick a random one. Another Morphe M167. Guys, take notes. M167. Now, fancy that नहीं. Filthy Rich mix हो गए हैं और वो crease पे लगेंगे. Okay, so आंखें बंद करी जाएंगी अब.
Crease क्या होता है? Crease. Explain them. What is crease?
So this is outer corner. This is inner. नहीं, this is crease.
Okay.
Can you help me with this? But what's crease?
Just do your thing.
This is crease. No, I'm gonna apply something here. थोड़ा वाइप करेंगे क्योंकि गलती हो गई थी.
क्या ऐसे गुलाब को कहीं पे वाइप यूज कर लेते बेस फाउंडेशन और एक सेकंड यू नो राइट ना फाउंडेशन सब हो चुका है ऐसे
थोड़ा सा.
अरे तो वहाँ से फाउंडेशन हट जाएगा यार.
I think it's gonna look very pretty.
I trust you.
You shouldn't at this point, but it's fine.
Right placement.
यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लाइन बाहर आ गई तो यहाँ भी निकाल देते हैं ताकि मैच करे. देखो गलती हो तो दोनों तरफ से हो, राइट? सिर्फ एक से ना हो. गलती दोनों तरफ से होनी चाहिए ताकि it looks symmetrical.
ये वीडियो में बहुत बड़ी गलती है एक. Okay, let me see.
Now we're gonna do थोड़ा मैंने तेरी लुक में देखा था you were doing something below. ठीक है? तो इसको पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं.
काजल
काजल कोल लगेगा यहाँ पे. किधर है काजल कोल? I saw one.
I'll help him.
नहीं मेरे को पता है इसका. मैंने पढ़ा है. Found it. Told you. I read this. So this is called Recode Studio Pro. The best. All that she wants. Kohl Kajal. That's the one that I'm using. It's the best. It's like so dark. Like.
You're swatching the. This is called swatching.
This is called checking. कि कुछ गलत सामान तो नहीं लग रहा. I'm just checking.
Okay, एक सेकंड. ये ना मेरी eyes है. ये अंदर लगता है. तो ये मैं खुद लगा सकती हूँ.
I'll be really gentle.
Please भानु, please. मेरी eyes है यार, please.
Okay. Close your eyes.
नहीं, close your eyes कैसे?
I'm joking. अच्छा वहाँ लगता है ये.
और तूने कहाँ लगाना था और?
आपको यहाँ पे नीचे.
मैं प्लीज मैं काजल खुद लगा.
थोड़ा सा.
नहीं नीचे नहीं लगता मम्मी.
हाँ नीचे नहीं लगा रहा मैं. आंखें खोल. Left eye में ये काजल लग रहा है यहाँ पे.
Please don't talk. Just do nicely.
This is very nice.
Carefully, okay?
Very careful because this is not a joke. Do that again.
Let me blink.
Yeah, I think I'm actually doing it quite nicely. I think this is fine. Yeah, it's actually beautiful. Okay, so second round from the inner corner of your eye. Take it slowly. I'm gonna give you a tutorial.
भानु मेरी eyes को देख please.
See, I can do it like this.
No.
Yeah. It's like a little bit subtle.
Have you given me
kajal.
smoky eyes?
These are called the prettiest eyes, whatever you want to call them.
I don't like very smoky on myself, ज़्यादा.
Dab dab. If you're still watching this video, अगर आप में इतना patience है तो comment dab dab below. DAB DAB.
ये भगवान. मेहनत लगती है.
देखो YouTube पे नया फीचर है. अगर आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे तो आपको आगे की वीडियो नहीं दिखेगी. और बेल आइकन दबाओगे तो आप घर पे चॉकलेट्स डिलीवर होंगी फ्री में.
You gonna deliver that?
Of course. I've seen people use this sprays on the face, right? There's probably Urban Decay All Nighter, Atul Chauhan. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Atul Chauhan makeup setting spray, and good job, man. It's like it looks really good. I've seen your Instagram page. Your work is awesome, man. So definitely recommended. You know, so check that out. And
एक मिनट पहले बोलना होता है आइज बंद करनी है.
तो मैं और क्या eyes बंद करनी है? Like that's just natural, right?
Okay.
Okay. So close your eyes.
Okay.
You ready?
I am ready. मेरे बालों पे नहीं आना चाहिए.
बालों पे नहीं आएगा. Count till 3.
1, 2.
You never let them count till 3. तो अब next होगा हमारा lipstick. Okay?
So I'm wearing red. I wanted you to put red, but it's absolutely up to you.
I'm gonna use nude, not red. So I saw one. Fenty Beauty. This is the one I'm using. Wait, is it too out of focus? I don't know. It's too bright. Anyway, it just says Fenty Beauty.
Show them the shade also. Nice, like brownish nude, right?
Brownish nude.
Lipstick for.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, are you sure, right? Like this color you want to give me? You want to give me this
nude,
color?
nude.
Nude color.
ये तो बहुत dark है. This is not nude. Have I messed up? It says made in USA. That like कुछ help करता है made in USA. I don't care.
Let's do red lipstick, Banu.
This is not lipstick, right?
This is a contour stick, truffle shade.
This is a contour stick.
Yes, please. Let's use red.
It says truffle. Truffle से मेरे को क्या पता लगेगा contour है lipstick है. Okay, so this is Too Faced long wear lipstick. Lipstick spelling लिखे हुए LIPSTICK. तो I'm not gonna mess this one up. See this product.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत red lipstick दे दें. बस मेरी ये आखिरी इच्छा है.
This
Please
is the
just be
final.
very careful. It's dark color, so you can't mess it up.
This is the final countdown. Okay, so I know you like outlining a little bit, so I'm gonna do that.
Overlining, you mean?
Overlining. So let's do. Don't move.
Banu, please, ये खराब हो गई. You can't even fix it. I know.
It's
Please.
gonna be the best. Now apply here. Down.
Don't do overlining ना तेरी overline के पता चलेगा.
हो जाएगा. सही हो जाएगा. Bloody hell.
क्या?
सही है. मतलब मुश्किल है इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ bloody hell. It's not a bloody hell. Open it. Now you can do like this. Show me. I think it's fine.
Anything else you want to do? कुछ रह गया?
थोड़ा सा blush कम है.
So I'm actually kind of enjoying because the dinner while I'm sitting and somebody, I have full faith in you. Like it will be nice. So I like pink, acha blush, like nice, pretty, lifted blushy.
Perfect. You're looking beautiful. अब हम लगाएंगे lashes.
You want to do lashes?
Yep.
Are you serious?
Yep.
देख ले.
Yep. It's called. These are the only ones. Okay, so Prima Lash Professional Dainty. We're gonna use this one. आज हम लगाएंगे Dainty Prima Lash. तो हम लेंगे पहले glue थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. Duo Lash Glue. Oh my God, sorry. It's not your face. I'm okay with that.
Thank God. सीधा नहीं लगाई मेरे face पे.
Okay, so now अब हम क्या करेंगे? कोई भी brush का पीछे वाला पार्ट मैंने देखा भाई, right? अब ये lash, इसमें कुछ होता है कि right और left पे जाएगी, तो ये ऐसे था, तो ये left पे जाएगी. तो मैं ये glue लेके, यहाँ से glue लेके, यहाँ पे हल्का लगा, ऐसे चिपक जाएगी.
क्या मुझे just guide me know what to do.
So close your eyes.
Okay. तो measure कुछ चल ठीक है, it's fine. Just do it.
Measure क्या?
कुछ नहीं, just do
तो ये आंखों के लिए होगा ना तूने?
it. हाँ
Don't move.
वहाँ पे दुकान पे size लिखा होता है ना कि Urvashi's eyes ये length है.
Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes.
Of course, मुझे पता है मैं eyes नहीं खोलूँगा. उसको सुखाना है तो उसको वैसे fan कर दे. कि please let me help him.
Fan brush.
No, with your hands.
I'm joking. दूसरी lash. Close your eyes.
It's closed only.
Wow.
Is it nice?
I am so impressed. Clients की कभी कभार थोड़ी डिमांड ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं, so we have to actually meet them up.
Of course, you have to.
Yeah, so show me. थोड़ा हाँ ठीक है चिपक गया. अगर देखो 80% भी चिपक जाए तो वो होल्ड करके रखेगा. थोड़ा इधर उधर उतर जाता है, like people know.
Oh my
थोड़ा हो जाता है.
God, मुझे अजीब लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा.
अरे सही है, बहुत सही है.
No, is it? Yeah, you think it's done now? Finish? Anything you want to do? कुछ use करना, कुछ और थोपना है मेरे मुंह पे?
यार देखो,
गड़बड़ है. I can
everything
feel
is
it.
perfect.
I can feel और मुझे यहाँ पे कुछ काला काला लग रहा है.
हाँ,
दूर से.
देख थोड़ा डार्क है. Like I would like दूर से देखोगे तो ढोल सुहावने, या पास जाके देखोगे तो थोड़ा ब्राउन ज्यादा हो गया.
What do you mean?
तो थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, like eyeshadow and all that, but it's fine. You know what?
Okay.
Big deal.
Shall I open it?
Open your eyes.
हाय राम भानु, ये तूने क्या किया? तूने मुझे कभी ऐसा मेकअप करे हुए देखा है? Oh my God!
अच्छा तो है.
ये लैशेस अच्छी हैं.
I think so.
और ये डार्क, ये क्या कर दी ये?
Yeah, देख. Of course, I'm not a perfectionist.
और ब्लश इतना ज्यादा है ये यहाँ पे.
This is perfect. Like look at that.
No, it's not. उसमें सही लग रहा है फिर भी. इसमें ये this is the reality. Oh my God. Regretting the fact कि मैंने रेड क्यों पहना. मुझे लगा था रेड पे you will do subtle सा बहुत प्यारा सा base.
See, it's
blushy
like
look and red lips and nude.
It's blushy in red and with lash gradient eyeshadow, and it's perfect.
हे भगवान.
You look beautiful.
Guys, चलो ठीक है. I think I should appreciate his efforts. Thank you so much for this amazing look. बहुत अच्छी look करी आपने. बस मैं थोड़े
Thank you. Applause. पीछे applause वाला music आएगा अभी, so we can.
मैं थोड़ा सा ब्लश ठीक कर लूँ.
कर ले.
मैं थोड़ा सा ब्लश ठीक.
हल्का सा, ज़्यादा हो गया.
पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है. Anyway, leave it. मानो, let's go out like this, ठीक है? एक रेस्टोरेंट में चलते हैं. You take me. I'm your date, ठीक है?
Okay, so
let's go out like this.
See, I don't mind, but देखो मैं किसी दूर वाले टेबल पे बैठाऊंगा.
मतलब ये एक सेकंड, ये लाइट कम करो. I want them to see exactly क्या ये लाइट बहुत ज़्यादा है. Guys, you need to see. हाँ, so guys, now you see इसने इतना ज़्यादा ब्लशर लगाया है और ये
ज़्यादा नहीं है. This is normal.
ठीक है. Okay, I think.
Like you
I don't know what I was expecting though, but anyway, come in the frame. I think I should appreciate his efforts. Well done, husband.
I would probably just like tiny bit मैं थोड़ा eyeshadow ठीक कर दूंगा जाने से पहले. But I think everything else is fine.
पता है बंदा बोलता है कि ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया. I don't know how to fix it, but ठीक है ऐसे confidently you were doing makeup. Look at this. Like let me show them in like. पता है मैं कोई और ही लग रही हूँ. Okay, fine. This is good. This is like proper makeup. I don't know, but I think, like I said, I should appreciate the efforts, and I think
you should appreciate the effort and score my makeup skills. I mean, yeah, 9 से कम allowed नहीं है, ठीक है? You can go above 9, and the maximum rating is 10.
थोड़ी चीटिंग करी, पता नहीं कौन से नोट्स, मुझे नोट्स दिखाई, नोट्स क्या पता नहीं कौन से नोट्स बनाए हुए थे बीच में. You opened IGTV also.
Right.
Spray, foundation, powder set, contouring,
blushing. मैंने तक सब कुछ करा है, देखो मैंने.
Anyway, guys, I think I had so much fun. I was actually enjoying बीच में जब ऐसे मैं eyes बन के जब मेरा makeup कर रहा था कि it's so relaxing when somebody else is doing your makeup, and I think this is the best makeup of my life.
What was that?
How do you guys feel about it? Please do let us know and comment below.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. Please
Smash
subscribe.
that like button.
I'm really enjoying making all these videos for you guys, and I hope you guys love this video. मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
I loved it. Every single bit of it.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog, and I'm not gonna go out at all in this makeup. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही. कोई coffee, कोई dinner नहीं. Just let us know next challenge कौन सा करना है.
Anything.
Next challenge भानु को कौन सा मैं challenge do next? Just let me know in the comment section below, and I will probably go and wash the face.
थोड़ा सा ये रह गया था.
यार बस यार.